only use the low beam. Okay, I probably want this lane. Is that straight? Yeah, that's straight. I'm gonna smoke all of these people. Wait a minute, is this not taking us to the freeway? It is taking us on the strip. I already missed the highway exit. Okay, it says 12 minutes, 4 miles. That's not too bad. Oh, I thought there was nobody over here.
I don't think I've been down this part of the strip.
Yeah, I've never seen this part either. Okay, we gotta go from there and then to right there. Piece of cake. The freeway would have been on the outside one. We're good. Man, I cannot believe Bill paid for dinner. That is so nice of him. I was really prepared to pay $60. Gosh, what a guy, man.
When you start talking to him about pictures, uh-oh, he's paying.
Yeah. That center lane. Now nobody wants to be behind me. Well, you know what? Maybe this test footage will be sufficient enough because I can take these clips. We're not stuck in traffic. Yeah, when we get to Vegas Burrito, I'm going to take that SD card out and put in a different SD card, the 329, and use that for Vegas test footage. It's just not going to have good audio or usable audio because I usually play songs when I do test footage sometimes, and I was telling Bill I picked out all these classic